How to stop Grok AI using your images on X. As you can see here in the news, Grok AI generates non-consensual explicit images of women on X. One of the ways of trying to stop that is on the X app, pressing and holding, then scrolling to the left. That'll bring up this menu here where you can click on settings and privacy. As well, not on mobile devices, but on your computer or MacBook laptops, you just want to get to the settings menu. You'll see that by using the cog. But then you want to click on privacy and safety. There you want to scroll to the bottom where it says the section of the Grok and third-party collaborators. Click on that and then make sure all of these sections are turned off so they're all blacked out. That is one way of stopping people using your data. The second way is by making your account private, and the third way is by deleting your account. That might be quite extreme, but basically if someone already has your data and pictures, they can use your pictures and data on their account personally and then generate images. So that's probably the best way of fully doing it. So there's three ways. So one of them, turning off the data. Two, be privating your account, and then three will be deleting your account. But all the ways of doing it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Leave a like and subscribe if it was helpful.